Hi boys and girls, welcome to your Math Digital Learning Day module. In this module we are going to be working with fractions. The example that I am going to show you guys today uses a bag of Skittles, and then when you guys practice the skills that I cover, you guys are actually going to be using a bag of M&Ms for your practice. So when I opened my bag of Skittles and dumped it out on the table, these are the Skittles that came in my bag. I had 18 Skittles total. 4 of them were purple, 5 of them were green, 1 of them was orange, 3 were red, and 5 were yellow. So now what I would like to figure out is what fractional part of my bag is each of the different color of Skittles. Now remember, when we have fractions, the bottom number, or the denominator, is represented by the total number of objects that you have. In this case, it would be the total amount of Skittles that I have. I have 18 Skittles in my bag. So my denominator for each of my fractions is going to be 18. For my purple Skittles, there were 4 of them in the bag. So that would be my numerator. My bag, the purple Skittles, make up 4/18 of my entire bag of Skittles. We can do the same thing with the green Skittles. There were 5 green Skittles in my bag, and the total number of Skittles in my bag was 18. So that means that 5/18 of my bag is green Skittles. For the orange one, I only had 1 orange Skittle. So the orange Skittles represent 1/18 of my bag of Skittles. Red Skittles, there were 3. So red makes up 3/18 of my bag of Skittles. Yellow Skittles, just like the green, there were 5. So the yellow Skittles represent 5/18 of my entire bag of Skittles. Now that we know the fractional part of each color of Skittle, I would like to find out what fractional part of the bag is made up of red Skittles and yellow Skittles. Now remember, my red Skittles made up 3/18 of my bag of Skittles, and my yellow Skittles made up 5/18 of my bag of Skittles. Now, what operation do you think that we need to do to figure out what fraction of my bag is red and yellow Skittles? We would need to add the fractions that make up the red and the yellow. So we're going to add 3/18 and 5/18 together to find out how much of the bag is red and yellow Skittles. When I add fractions, we always have to have a common denominator. Since these two colors came from the same bag of Skittles, 18 is our common denominator. So all we need to do is add our numerators. 3 plus 5 is 8, and our denominator stays the same. So my red and yellow Skittles made up 8/18 of my bag of Skittles. You guys are going to continue on in the module, and you are going to practice the same skill using a bag of M&Ms. Good luck completing the rest of your module.